Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss some speaking myths. So basically before I move into speaking myths, let's talk about what do students do first. Students have a variety of misconceptions. They tend to think that certain modules are important, certain modules are not important. They will lay emphasis on reading or writing, but they will not lay emphasis on speaking and listening. They often think that listening is the most easiest. So why practice? Please do not do that. It will hinder your band score. So let's look at some of the speaking myths. So firstly, speaking is the most important module in IELTS. No, it is not. All the modules are important. Modules which include reading, writing, listening, and speaking. All these modules will contribute to your band score. If you score band 9 in one module and score band 4 in another module, it will not make sense. Actually, it will hinder your progress. Moreover, there is a high chance you will have to give a test again. So please do not do that. Second is speaking in native accent is mandatory to score more. I've already talked about native accents. Accents are not important at all. What is important is your pronunciation skills, your grammatical range, and your accuracy. Third is asking personal questions to the examiner builds a good rapport. Well, you should not be asking personal questions at all. This is a professional interview. This is a professional talk. So please make sure that it looks like one. Okay, this is not some tea meeting that you are having with someone else. Okay, this is not your high tea get together. Don't make it like that. Okay, this is a professional kind of like interview, but not an interview. Okay, you don't have to be like super serious, but you have to make sure that you answer all the questions in a concise manner and remain professional throughout the test. Fourth is providing extra information while speaking increases band scores. Well, extra information is kind of important, but don't elaborate. So, for example, let's say you are asked what is your favorite movie, and you say my favorite movie is Titanic, and then you start elaborating about Titanic, how many rooms were there in Titanic, who was the sailor, what happened, year. You go down, break down everything. Nobody is asking you for full-fledged information. Skim the information and tell it in your words. What did you like about this movie? When did you watch it? And whom did you watch it with? Simple information. It's like a children's story. Whenever you tell a child a story, you don't put like full-fledged knowledge into it. You kind of like skim it and also tell a simpler version of the story. Okay. Fifth is asking the examiner to repeat the question is not allowed. Well, it is allowed. Asking the examiner what question he has asked and asking him to repeat the question is okay. But it all depends upon how you ask him the question, how you ask him to repeat the question. For example, if the examiner asks you a question about your hometown, tell me about your hometown, and you mislisten or you don't listen to the question carefully, you can ask him, pardon, can you repeat the question? Don't say, oh, please repeat the question. Okay. Don't be aggressive. You're not going to go into a fist fight with him. Okay, be polite, be mature, and also try to make sure that the examiner feels that this is a candidate that deserves good scores. Good behavior also helps in a great manner. Okay, so these are some of the myths for the speaking module. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button